just came from Bangladesh, which is the birthplace of Pundarik Vidyanidhi. He's the third branch of Lord Chaitanya's tree, I believe. And he's very, I forget if it was the third or seventh, but anyway, he's one of the major branches. And he was born near Chittagong, which is the far border of Bengal. And what was very nice is that the local residents of that place who were managing the temple, I brought pictures, I saw Raghav Prabhu, we have some pictures, it's just the temple they've built. They have completed their temple. So they gave the whole property over to our ISKCON front organization there. And they're cooperating a lot for developing that as a very nice Krishna conscious center. There are 2,000-3,000 people just there for a festival. So actually in ISKCON then we are hoping that in the future we'll be able to bring many devotees over when we have the festival. For some Panda we'll fly them over to Chittagong, because one person who had just left his body, who helped to catalyze this whole thing, he had a vision that people will be coming from all over the world to see Pundarik Dham. So actually it'll be nice to bring in the devotees into this Muslim country. In that little corner there's a very ideal situation that in spite of being a Muslim country, that's the most concentrated place of Hindus, and all the Hindus are basically devotees of Lord Chaitanya, 90%. About 35% Hindu population and 10% Buddhist. So the Muslim fanaticism is a little reduced in that part of Bangladesh, so it's a good place. And if you bring in devotees to see as a place of pilgrimage, then even the Muslims can appreciate as tourism.